Hey everybody, welcome. Just a quick video showing you our large tractor working, cutting the lucerne and weeds down. This is the last year of the lucerne because the lucerne's dying and the weeds are taking over. It's an LTZ tractor and a far cutter. It's a drum mower or hay cutter. I'm finding it really useful. It's a very good tool. It'll take, how long will it take? An hour, 2 hours to cut the field? 40 minutes to an hour to cut 1 hectare with the tractor. And as you can see, it's quite weedy down this end. There's quite good lucerne in the middle over there, but it's been 7 years now, so it's time for this to be having pigs on in winter time, and next year we might do wheat or oats or even a permanent lay of grass. So I hope you enjoyed it in our little field here. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and join us tomorrow because you never know what tomorrow brings. Bye bye.